PulseChain.
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 Another day, another success. We have more news coming in. This is HEX breaking the news of Kanga exchange is one of the biggest centralized exchanges in Poland. They just listed PulseChain and have ATMs all over the country. The first Fiat on-ramp too. They're expanding to the United Arab Emirates as well. We're taking over. So, Kanga exchange, I've never heard of them till today. They've got Pulse down there. We'll take a look at their site in a second. What else? Anyone saying anything here? So if they've got 263 ATMs across Poland. Wow, good stuff. So this is their Twitter page. They say Kanga is a rapidly growing ecosystem of fintech tools and services designed to encourage and facilitate widespread adoption of cryptocurrency in everyday life. Link to their site, and they have 42.9k followers. And this was their post. We are officially starting the long-awaited listing of Pulse token, PLS. You can make deposits now. Trade today. However, this is not the end. On Monday, we start listing of PLSX to USDT. Are you ready? So there's that pairing there. You'll be able to trade. If we go over to any comments on there, a few thumbs up there from some of the guys. If we go over to their exchange, this is what it looks like. We are Kanga Beyond Crypto. 200,000 plus cash exchange transactions. Some of the news there. Trading. Start trading now. This is the full list there, and you can see PLS there coming in, valued there. What have they got the market cap at? Interesting. So at 2.6 billion on the market cap. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD. So they've got 2.6 billion on the market cap. We'll keep an eye on that, see if it moves up over the coming weeks. So that's another listing for PulseChain. Doing well, going in the right direction.